welcome to my channel. It's your girl Waitse, back at it again with another video, darling. If you're new to my channel, hi, how are you? Please make sure that you are subscribed. If you're testing the waters are blessed. The waters are so good, purified. So make sure that you subscribe. So how are you guys doing? How are you doing? Let's talk in the comment section right now. Like, how are you doing? How is this new week for you? How is the remaining months of 2024 looking for you? Let's just talk and just, in the comment section. But anyways, I received a PR 2 months ago or 1.5 months ago, but I didn't come here and share it with you guys. That's why I'm here, so that I can share with you guys. I received a PR from FIRMOO. PR means that I didn't get paid for this, but what they do is that they send me free stuff, and I was like, you know what, I really need this, and even though I'm not getting paid for it, I'm gonna get value out of it. And with PR, you don't spend anything for you to get the product that you'll be sent. So that is a bargain also. So I got sent this PR from FIRMOO. FIRMOO is a company. I'm not sure if it's the UK one or the US one, but they sent me PR and it got delivered to South Africa, and a friend of mine helped me to get it here. We're just going to unbox right now. So this is how it looks. This is how it's looking, and let's unbox. So this PR, it is a sunglass PR. Before that, let me show you guys what I was using. I was using these glasses, and you guys know them. They are blue light glasses. The reason why I was using them, because I'm always on the phone editing, I'm always on the phone consuming the content, so like my eyes hurt out because of that. And maybe they've seen me posting or talking about that and my experience and stuff like that, and they was like, you know what, I can work with you. So they sent me this. I think writing here faded because I have washed it. This is a cleaning cloth and also a pouch. So like, yeah, I use this to clean the glasses. This is how the glasses look. I love it so much, and the fact that I was able to customize them myself, it was so good, because you tell them exactly what you want and then they do it for you. You tell them this, I want this, I want that, I want that glasses that look like this, I want blue light, I want prescription, I don't want prescription, and then they make it for you. And yeah, also I have a discount code, 50 grateful % off when you use my code. I couldn't just get them for free and not like plug you guys. I will put my link and also a discount code in the description down of this video, so that you can use it when you want to purchase these glasses and get 50% off of your order. However, if your glasses are usually they're about 400 or 350, if they are 400, you are sure that you're going to buy them for 200 bula. So tell me I'm not running for you guys. Hey dolls, a few days later, okay? Is it 2 days or 1 day later? But this is me, same hairstyle from the pop-up video that I did in that last video when I was showing you guys my skincare. Do you remember? Yes, we remember. But anyways, so today it's another day. I'm doing a all-round get ready with me, because we are going to like an outing. I don't know what you call it, but it's like a birthday outing. Yes, true. Take your phone and go. Okay, Mama's working, eh? Close the door, my doll. You look beautiful. See you later. Oh, it's like a birthday outing. It's our birthday today, so we planned abstractly. Like I look like thing. Like it wasn't like planned, but we are all gonna come with our kids. She has a kid, and my best friend has is babysitting. She doesn't have a kid, so it's gonna be like a mom thinging. And of course there are gonna be some people who comes with 2 girls without a kid, so it's gonna be like a mom thinging, kids having fun, and mommy's having fun too. So it's gonna be like that kind of a vibe. So I think I'm just gonna like get ready with you guys for that, and I'm not sure if I'm gonna show you guys that. That is why I'm doing a get ready with me. So you've seen me putting on the serum immediately after like washing my face. My face was kind of dry, so I'm like putting on the serum. It is not watery, it is not oily. As you can see, it has consistency of an oil, but it's not oily, it's not watery, it's just in the middle. And I love the mixture. I love the mixture so much. Let me just do you guys a close up of how it is. This is how it absorbs into the skin. I love it so much. I feel like you're putting another layer because because usually I would, after bathing, I would just apply it. But anyway, it's fine. I'm not sure what to wear. I put out an outfit yesterday, but I'm not sure about it, you know. So this is the consistency of the aloe vera gel, you know. Put a lot. I waited a little bit, and this is my favorite. Back to my favorite. And last time I was using that one, I forgot its name. Do I have the container here? For 2 months I was using it. Like I bought like 2 bottles of it because this one, it wasn't there. And I love this lotion, light lotion spray. It is a sun protector, SPF 50, and it's SPF 50, like, and it's only, I got it only for 98 pula, like, and it's been good. I've been using it, so it has been good on my face. So yeah, that's how I apply it. This is how I apply it, and we're gonna carry it because I go into the sun. So this is how I apply it, and my face will be all glowy. So I put on the Maybelline. Let me show you guys. This is the one that I use currently. My skin color changes a lot. It depends where I am. When I'm one day from my home village, I'm this color. I'm color 29 in Catrice. I'm very dark. When I've been in gaps, I'm golden caramel. And when I'm normal, I don't know, I'm warm coconut. It's so crazy. It's crazy, but that's how I've seen things happen in my life, and I accepted it. But I'm just gonna use this brush to just, you know, tap my makeup where it is. I'm going for a very subtle look. I don't want like a lot on my face. And then we move on to concealer. I love a very bright under eye. Oh, that is not called for. I'm gonna let it sit a little bit. My fan is in the car, so I'm gonna just speed it up the process, but I'm just gonna It's not your makeup, doll. It's not your makeup. How is everything else?
We are the music makers, and we are the dreamers of dreams.
So hey guys, this is the finished product of my makeup. Even though it's 4 hours later, so this is a few hours later. This is how my makeup looks. It's been 3 or 4 hours. I couldn't vlog because like we're in a rush to get into this place, but anyways, this is the kind of look that I chose today. I chose that I'm wearing this top from my collection Easy Trends. If you want to purchase it, you can just contact me. I also got this skirt. I showed you guys this skirt on my last vlog. This is how it looks. It's literally a tennis skirt, so I just wanted to look flowy. I just wanted to like be free. They may look a little bit pretty white, didn't you? Because but anyways, I'm also putting on my ribbon, and this is the whole look. Thank you so much.
Can you see the ribbon again?
Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel and like this video, and yeah.
Ribbon again.
Huh?
Can you see the ribbon again?
Okay.
Oh yeah, girl.